Hi, today I'm going to show you how I did the letter projector by using just 3 simple items. What I did was to take some empty toilet paper rolls and reuse some plastic sheets. I wrote alphabets on the plastic sheets like A and B and used a rubber band to tie it around the paper roll. Afterwards, I will turn off the lights and prepare a torchlight. The torchlight will be flashed into the toilet paper roll to project a shadow. The shadow that is being projected onto the wall depends on what is being tied around the toilet paper roll. In this case, it's the letter A. What the children can do is to use the torchlight and the toilet paper roll to explore how to make the letter clear. In this case, they have to explore how to make the alphabet A clear onto the wall. And I can extend this activity by teaching them about letter recognition and letter naming. This activity is simple and can be adapted into different ways. I think that this activity can be tried out in the classroom, so give it a go.